So the Habitat Garden is on irrigation, but one plant that could use a little extra water is our California pipevine. So it's the plant that's on the front of the arch. So you'll notice this one has sort of a heart-shaped leaf. The plant on the back is California clematis. So if you want to give the pipevine a little extra water, you can just run the hose maybe for 3 to 4 minutes on a low to medium rate. And you'll see here we've got California pipevine on the front. Just give it a little extra water. It likes to have wet feet and its head in the sun. So it loves climbing up that archway, but it likes a little bit more water than some of our other plants. Everything else in the Habitat Garden is pretty much just fine unless we have something that was newly planted. So, for example, let's see if I can find one nearby. There's a newly planted, here, it's called sneezeweed. So over here in between these ceanothus, you can see this cool yellow flower about 5 feet back. So it's called sneezeweed. He's looking pretty good, but he could do for just a little extra water. And then there's also a penstemon right over here. And that could use a little extra water just because they're new. So the other plants have been in the ground for years and they're established and used to the natural levels of water. But when a plant is first planted, it's often best to support them with extra water for the first year or so.